All right, so you have 200 feet of fencing to enclose a rectangular garden. Express the area of the garden as a function of one of its dimensions. So we've got area, which we know it's length times width. Okay, so that's the area. Now, we also know that the you have 200 feet of fencing to enclose a rectangular garden. Okay, so we know that the perimeter, the 200 feet of fencing to enclose it would be the perimeter. The perimeter is 2L plus 2W. And so for this situation, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to change L and W to X and Y. So X is the length of the garden. Y is the width of the garden. All right. So P equals 2X plus 2Y. And we also know the perimeter is 200. So the perimeter is 200 because you have 200 feet to enclose the. All right, so now what we've got to do is we've done this before. We've got two equations with two letters, two variables, and we got to get it down to one equation with one variable. And the key is we got to get it in terms of X. We want X to be the variable that is by itself. So what we've got to do here is we've got to get Y out of here. Okay, for the area, we got to get Y out of here. And so to get Y out of here, we got to find out what Y is in the other equation. Okay, and I'll show you why we do this. So subtract 2x, so 200 minus 2x equals 2y. Okay, and then divide by 2, okay, dividing each by 2, y equals 100 minus x. Okay, now why are we doing this? Because y equals this expression. We got y in terms of x. So now what I can do is I can plug this expression, 100 minus x, in for y up there. So area equals x times 100 minus x. Okay, so now you see how I've got the area as a function of one of its dimensions, x. So a of x would equal, I'm going to call a of x, okay, is equal to, you can keep it like that in the factored form, or you could do distribute. And so this would be your answer.